I'm in position. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariel, for those of you who don't know, and I bring you fashion content and lifestyle related videos. So today we are going to paint some Air Forces. I got this inspiration from Instagram. Shout out Instagram. You can't really have enough shoes, so I went on Instagram. I was scrolling through my feed and I just saw these randomly and I was like, I need these shoes right now. So I'm gonna film the process of it all. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and buy the Air Force Ones. I'm a size 7 in women's. Ooh, I can't breathe, I'm talking way too fast. And once we get that, I should be getting the paints. Also, I need to go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna do, what kind of shoe that I saw on Instagram, so you don't even know what the hell I'm talking about right now. I'm gonna post a picture here. And yeah, so as you can see, they're really cool, they're real edgy. I like them, I've never seen them before. And they're just different shades of green. I'm really into greens right now, I don't know why, but I do even have my phone case right now, which is like a cool matte green, and then I have my little sushi pop socket. Honestly, what the hell? This was like $1, guys, and this is like the greatest food of all time. It's my favorite food besides burgers. Go ahead and wait for the shoes to arrive and the paint to arrive, and we will go ahead and speed up the process, and I will time lapse me painting everything. And then I have an idea of the fit that I want to pair it with, but if it looks a little like stupid, then if it looks a little off, then I'm gonna go ahead and order olive colored things, just so I can have other choices and backups so that I can redeem myself. And I will see you guys once everything arrives.